Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassandra. So I have my nail stand here because I'm going to be showing a quick Valentine's Day look. It's a pretty simple look to accomplish, and I know most of us are still on lockdown, but that doesn't mean that you can't have cute nails, regardless if you're single or booed up. So let's get started. For my base, I'm going to be using an OG, OPI's Bubble Bath, absolutely one of my favorites. I'm only going to be using 2 coats of the Bubble Bath just because I really love the transparent look. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. So once that's dry, I'll be using a toothpick to draw the hearts. So I'll be using Red Flare by Orly. You can never go wrong. This is such a beautiful red. And just a quick disclaimer, I just wanted to put it out there that I have super shaky hands, so I knew the hearts weren't gonna come out super perfect, but I tried my best. A for effort, right? So this next polish I'm using doesn't actually have a name. I bought it from Dollar Tree, and for some reason it's just numbers. The brand name is Tivoli or Tavali. I'm not too sure how to pronounce it, but it's such a beautiful color. It's like a nude pink, I guess I'd call it, but I really like it. And this is the last nail polish I'll be using for the hearts, called Ring Around the Horsie by Sation. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Well, regardless of the pronunciation, I absolutely love this color. The burgundy is just so perfect. I love it so much. So originally I was really feeling the 2 plain nails and I was just gonna leave it like that, but I said, why not zhuzh it up a little bit? So I added this Maybeline Colorama top coat called Pink Piñata. It's such a beautiful sparkly top coat. I love it so much and I completely forgot about it. I bought it back in 2019 when I went to the C&E and they had this great little discount shop. 10 polishes for $10. I couldn't leave it. And lastly, I'm going to be using LA Colors top and base coat. I bought this top coat a couple months ago at Dollar Tree, and you know what? For $1.25, it does the job. I'm not going to lie, I really like this top coat, to be quite honest. So that is a wrap, y'all. I really enjoyed doing these nails because they were easy and cute. So what do you think of these? Are you the type to do holiday themed nails? And how are you guys spending your Valentine's Day this year? Let me know in the comments below. Happy Valentine's Day!